Hey YouTube, I am here to test out the iconic sounds setting in my BMW M340i. There's been a decent amount of debate as to whether that only affects the sound generated by the speaker or whether it actually affects the valves outside. So without further ado, I'm going to give it a shot with a few different cameras and find out. Take a look at the iconic sounds. So I believe I have them on right now. So let's go in here and in driving settings, we'll turn off iconic sounds. Okay, let's give the car a rev. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on iconic sounds. This is again in comfort mode. Pretty much sounds the same to me there. Okay, let's try it in Sport Plus. We'll do the same thing. Okay, first of all, with iconic sounds off. Now we'll do the same thing with iconic sounds on. So I definitely hear the pops through the speakers, but not sure if that's actually just coming from the speakers or if you can hear it outside. But we've got plenty of cameras rolling outside too, so let's find out. I'm gonna turn off my lapel mic so you can hear a little bit more of the pops and bangs inside the car. So with the iconic sounds on in Sport Plus, you can definitely hear that there are pops and bangs happening inside the cabin. And if I turn that off, I don't hear any at all. it sounds like outside. Okay, again, we'll do a quick free rev with the Iconic Sounds on. Free rev with them off in Sport Plus. Okay, we'll do a takeoff with Iconic Sounds off. Do the same thing with Iconic Sounds on. So there you have it. The Iconic Sounds checkbox definitely makes the car louder from the outside. Unfortunately, it also really turns up the volume of the fake sounds inside, and this is kind of annoying to me. I like that the car sounds good with the window down, and it does sound pretty good from the outside, but the pops and gurgles that the car makes on overrun are mostly through the speakers. Blah. I do think the car actually sounds pretty good from the outside, and there are pops and burbles from the exhaust on overrun naturally, but they're totally different than the ones that actually play through the speakers. So yeah, that's not great. Anyway, I'm glad the car does sound good, and I'm leaving the Iconic Sounds checkbox checked because it does make the car louder and sound better. But I'm just going to have to ignore, or maybe in the future code out the excessive interior noise. All right, see you next video.